Here's how to fix your Windows 10 or 11 desktop wallpaper from changing automatically. It can be frustrating when your wallpaper changes unexpectedly, especially if you prefer a specific image or solid color. This guide will show you how to stop this from happening. So first, go ahead and open your settings. Then after, select personalization. Then scroll down and click on background. Then select the background option. In the background section, if it's set to Windows Spotlight, change it to picture or solid color. You can then choose a default Windows background. Select your own picture by browsing or picking a solid color and set it to fit and see if that resolves the issue. If your wallpaper continues to change automatically, go to Settings and select Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Here, search for Wallpaper. And if you find any wallpaper apps that you don't recognize, uninstall them as they might be changing your background. These apps can sometimes be installed alongside with other software. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.